All right, Michael, can you come and see me?
What did you do now?
All right. How you doing today? Did you have a good break?
Yes, I did.
Good, good. All right, what I called you back for and what I want to talk to you about today is we completed the second diagnostic and we completed the second version of the FAST test before the holiday. So I wanted to go over your results with you, talk about where you started at the beginning of the year and where you are now and where I think we're going to go, okay? So what I wanted to start with first is if you remember at the beginning of the year, you'd scored a 450. Our goal for you was a 463 to get to typical growth, 483 for your stretch goal. We talked about some things that you thought you were good at in math, some things that we think you need to get better at, and how you're going to get there. Remember that? Okay. So overall, so far I looked at your report. You've completed a total of 52 lessons so far this year. You've passed 87 of the ones that you've taken, which is really strong. 52 lessons is way above average. So you're cranking when it comes to iReady and getting those lessons done. So I really appreciate that. And it's helped you. And I can show you how it's helped you. So if you remember at the beginning of the year, you scored a 450, and we talked about these were the areas where you needed to work. On some of these ones where you were a few grade levels behind. On the latest one, you went up 33 points. You went from a 450 to a 483. So if I look on this one over here, as a 7th grader, you went from down here below 2 grade levels up to only below 1 grade level. That's huge growth in a short period of time. We've only been working together for about 18 weeks, so that's huge growth. So you went up 33 points. We still have some areas of opportunity in geometry. So iReady is going to start giving you a lot of geometry. So when you're working on geometry, really focus because that's where you need to come up. And then algebra and algebraic thinking, which is what we're teaching here in class this week. Okay? Any questions on that part? I'm going to give you this, and you can take that home and share it with a parent. The second thing we did was the FAST test. At the beginning of the year, you scored as 271. Now, 271 is what they call level 1 inadequate. So we need to pick this up, and we talked about trying to get that picked up. The latest one that we just took before the break, you went up 31 points to a 301. Still showing a level 1, but you're only about 14 points away from getting to a level 2, and you're about 28 points from a level 1. If we get 4 or 5 more questions that we can figure out how do we solve those questions when we go to take the next one, we'll get to that level 3. And what happens when you get to a level 3?
I get out of here.
You get out of here. You don't have to come see my class anymore. You can stop by and say hi, but you don't have to sit in this class. Do you have any questions for me?
Nope.
I'm going to give you this one as well. Take home both of these, share them with your parents. Get this one signed for me and brought back.
Thank you.
All right? Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
Good job. Nice work.
I have a question. How do you
Yes.
feel about that, him giving you that information?
I'm feeling good.
Really? What do you feel good about?
I feel good that I could be out of here and not being stuck in this class and get more elective.
Oh, what do you think contributed to the growth?
The city growth is just paying more attention and the thing and stop worrying about other people.
That's so good. So proud of you. Have a great day.
You
Thank
too.
you.